We'll guide you through how to download and install Facebook Messenger on an Android. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So to go and message through Facebook, you need to go and have the Messenger app. So we're going to guide you through getting it. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. In there, you can also go and make calls as well. So it's great to go and have. So to do this, you do need to go and have a connection to the internet via your mobile data, or cellular data, or Wi-Fi. Then what you need to do is go and find the Play Store. You can see it for me, it's on my homepage, but you can always go and swipe up and search for it at the top. Now go to the bottom and press search. We can press the search bar at the top. You want to go and type in Messenger. You can search for it. And as you can see, here it is. So then what you can do is you can go over to the right and press install, or tap on it and press install just down here. Now you can go and see it's going to go and start downloading. It shouldn't go and take too long, hopefully. But it will go and depend upon your internet speed. As you can see, it's now installing. When it's finished, that cancel goes and changes to an open. So then what you can do is you can go and press open here, or we can come out of this. You can swipe up, and you're going to go and find the option for Messenger, and you can find it or search for it if needed at the top. You may need to go and swipe across to find it, by the way, and we can tap on it to open it up. Just go and wait. You'll need to go and log into your account, of course. If you've logged in through Facebook though, it may go and detect that.